Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to find Facebook user location. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to log into our Facebook account. So once we are here, all we need to do then is to click the search icon. And just like for example, we're going to search for John Dave. So we're going to click this. And right after that, we will be routed on this screen wherein we are going to notice the different names or profile with the name John Dave. So with that, we can go ahead and click people. So if you notice on the upper right part of this screen, we do have this icon. So we're going to click that. And after that, we're going to click city. And if you notice, we can now type in the city that we wish to locate the specific person or profile. We're going to click this, and right after that, we're going to type in. So just like for example here, Cebu City. So if you notice, we have that. We're going to click that, and we're going to click show results. So if you notice then, we do have the different profiles that contains John Dave on the specific location that we typed in earlier. So basically, that's how we are going to find Facebook users' location. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.